Hello, I picked up this Blue Hawk Dremel tool set. It's a 276 piece set. There's my Dremel. Picked this up from Lowe's for $12 and some change, close to 13 bucks. Thing I liked about it is it has 276 pieces and it has a nice case. If you have a Dremel, I'm sure you struggle to find a place to put the pieces after you're done using them. And I'm, for one, am not big on putting my tools back in a particular spot when I'm done with them. I lay them everywhere and I lose them. And so I thought, man, this nice kit, nice case. There's a nice little slide lever there. You can open it up. A lot of these things, I don't know if Dremel just makes cheap stuff or these knockoff type kits, but a lot of these things are 1 or 2 time use type deals. I'm sure that's why there's so many pieces for cheap. I know these things are use them once. These little wire brush kits, wire brushes, use those once and they're done. The grinding stones generally work. These little sanding things, these work pretty well. They last a while till they spin off the rubber. But I think the most valuable part of these kits are these little grinders, metal grinders. These seem to last a while. Cutting wheels. Those will last a while. Well, there you have it. From Blue Hawk. Hey, what did I just do to my case? Oh, okay. Well, it pops off there. Anyway, there you have it.